So once you have your list of potential root causes, we move on to this root cause analysis section, and we work through each of the root causes one by one to work out whether they are or aren't the root cause. And then also we can work out, well, what actions do we want to do? So we'll go through this first. So let's say the SOP was not a root cause, and we've verified that it's not the root cause by checked the SOP. Okay, and then we save it. Then we can move on to the next one. It was missed during weekly reviews. Well, actually, yes, this is a root cause. How have we verified it? Because did a weekly review and we missed it. Okay, so then we've got the 5 why. Now what the 5 why does is it helps us to narrow down our problem so we can look at potential solutions. So why was it missed during weekly reviews? So the expiry date was not easily identifiable during meetings. So why? Because it would have been better to show as red. Why? So that we could see the danger without looking too closely. Why? Because we run these meetings quickly. Why do we run these meetings quickly? Because we're too busy. Okay, so that has exposed a lot of information about this potential root cause, and you could quite have easily have said to yourself, right, the answer to this root cause is to just show them in red when they're due. Whereas actually, have you considered that maybe if you're too busy, should we recruit more staff? So recruit more staff is a potential root cause. Might not be is the potential action. It might not be the correct action because you might not be able to afford it. Next one, because we run these quick meetings quickly. So take more time in meetings. Yep. It's another potential action. Another one would be to show deadlines or show renewal dates in amber as they approach, or red. Okay, we add the potential action, and then we've got 3 potential actions. So then we want to consider what actions could we put in place to prevent this from happening again. So this is like, when we're doing our development, maybe we could have automatically spotted that we should do deadlines that expire in red. So is there a way that we can put that into our processes so that when we're doing development next time, we can make sure we do them in red? So during development, make sure deadlines are always color coded. So we can add that to our potential action. How we do it, not quite sure at the moment, but save that. And you can see here that our potential actions are being crossed off or ticked as we go through them. But we're getting some really good insights into our problem and how we could potentially solve it. So the working too quickly has already been resolved, really. Has already been mentioned in that. So we'll say not root cause because we've already dealt with it somewhere else. It's a very flexible tool. So the software did not highlight the expiry. I'm going to put that as not root cause because we've already got that as part of this root cause here. So it's quite flexible, but still it's a very useful tool. So once you've finished that section, scroll down to the bottom and click this Save All Root Cause Analysis Complete. Move on to progressing the actions. Tick that, and now we've automatically moved into the next screen, Actions. And this video will be described here.